Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you guys how you can fix your wrong date and time on your iPhone. Well, it is very easy. All you have to do is first of all get to the settings from which tap on general, and then you can now scroll down from here until you see date and time, tap on it. And in here you can see currently this is your time zone and this is the date and time. So if you want to change it, you can simply tap on the date or time that you want to change. So for example, I want to change the time, so I'm going to tap on the time right here. And here you can see my calendar has been opened. And from here, you can now simply edit your date and time. So for example, I'm going to set for March 3rd, just like this. And if I have to change the time, I'm going to tap on this time right here. And then from here, you can now select what is the exact time. So for now, I'm going to set it for 8:30 a.m. just like this. And here you can see I have now successfully changed my date and my time. So in here, you can also change the time zone. If you simply tap on the option time zone right here, currently here you can see this is my current time zone. If you want to change it to something else, you can just do that. Here you can simply search for the time zone. Just like this, here you can see I'm going to select Oklahoma City for now, just like this. And I want this time zone. So I have successfully done that. But if you simply enable this set automatically option that you can see right here, it will automatically set your time and date according to the place that you currently are. So right now, if I simply enable this just like this, here you can see this has successfully changed my time and zone according to the city and the time zone that I'm currently in. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.